It's a new 2020 BMW X2. A rebel inside and out, this playful and engaging X2 is the perfect excuse to get a little crazy. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, driver memory seats, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.